praises to Yahweh Shami Ashai, Basham Raka Kodash. So I haven't been posting yet again for a while because, as you know, we are expecting, my husband and I were expecting, our family were expecting a new addition to our family, as you can see. Yes, and along with that comes a lot of challenges. For example, for me physically, shortness of breath and a whole variety of symptoms, a whole lot. For example, I struggle with excessive saliva. As gross as that sounds, it's happening. Excessive saliva, need to spit all the time. And as we near the end concerning the pregnancy, I struggle with acid reflux. There is excessive weight, it's hard to walk around as usual as I normally could before this pregnancy. So some of those things are the cause to my not being able to post as much, and vomiting still bothers me up until this point. We also have two other children, Shamar and Judith, that are at school at the moment, and dealing with them, getting them ready. Time just does not allow, and the feeling, but today is one of those good days. So I said I'm gonna be doing a little nature walk and taking you ladies along with me to see the view. We're in a very bushy area at this time, so we'll just take you to see what that's like, enjoying your Basham Shai's nature, because I'm a lady like this. I don't need a lot to be happy. For some people happiness looks like a brand new car or expensive luxury car, because a car is a transportation. Not bashing out on those who do have, but I'm saying some people, if they don't have that, they're not happy. That's not me. Some people, they have to have the movies, expensive dining and all those things, and if they don't have that, life is just not working out for them. That's not it for me or for my family. We enjoy each other because we see each other as the blessing, right, from Yahweh Shem Yahushai, and very little goes a long way for us. So stay tuned to see our walk here in nature. A lovely pepper tree, different colors, red, green, spicy, but I cannot enjoy too much pepper right now because of the acid reflux. That doesn't go well with me now in my diet, but just letting you guys have that view. Bird music. A beautiful plant over there. Pink blooms. So already, if you listen, you can hear the birds' music. Behind me there are a lot of banana trees because we're here in Jamaica. I have a little cold. Yes. But today is one of the better days with this cold, and my husband has been so wonderful to me in coping with this pregnancy and this cold right now that I'm dealing with. So let's thank God for him. All praises to ASHUTOSH and my lovely children who help me with chores. So you can see all that fine greenery, more trees. This one I do believe is a plantain tree. Yes, because the bananas are shorter, and you can see we have plantains coming right now on the tree. I'm not sure if you can see that well. Try my best to let you get a little view. Okay, let's continue the walk. And it's really cool right now because compared to the other days have been really hot, very hot. We're taking our time and making it down. Here we have a coconut tree. Yes, this is a really tall coconut tree. And another name for the coconut is the water nut. Right, because it's a nut for those of you who did not know. Here we have some very noisy bugs. They make noise even up in the day. They make this ringing sound. Oh, there goes a bird. Hopefully, we'll be getting better footage for you soon, new camera and everything, but this is what I'm working with right now, a tablet. Down here is a stream. I'm going to see if I can go a little closer. Oh wow, some pink blooms over there. Let's get to the pink blooms carefully. Wow, lovely. And they are scented. I do smell them. Yes. Out here in nature, it seems like something has died as well because I'm hearing a lot of flies and I smell a little scent. Something must have died. Oh, we have a close-up of bananas. So as I was saying to you a while ago, the other one must be plantains, of course. I know they're plantains because they're bigger and more elongated and more spacious, while the bananas grow more clumped together. Here you can see bananas. There's also a lizard here. Now let me give you a little story about lizards. Can you see that lizard right there? Let me give you a little story about lizards. Once I did not like them very much, but I don't have a problem with them now because I used to find them strange, creepy, cranny, as some people would say in Jamaica, and I wouldn't want them near me, little and growing up. But then when I grew older and I learned that I am to fear God Almighty, not the creatures He created, but God Himself, I don't have a problem with lizards anymore. So there's a lot of power in God. A lot of power in God. I don't know if you can see that the wind is pretty lovely right now and cool, blowing. Leaves rustling over there. You can see that. That's the wind passing through. Yes, ladies, so this is something that you can do. This is something that you can do. You don't need all these bag of friends that talk about let's go to the club or let's go here and let's go there. For me, I've said this thing whereby I said, and I still say, if my children cannot come, then something is wrong. And as you know, children, they are not allowed to be in clubs and those things. Yeah, if my children cannot come, then I do not wish to attend any of these activities. Okay, I don't need to be around people influencing me that I need to go to dance. I need to have this bag of money for be shopping. There's nothing wrong with buying something every now and then. That is not absolute necessity, but why go out of your way for these things? Why be crazy and stressed out over these things? Come on. Why? There's so much more to enjoy, and those who cannot find the beauty in God's nature, then there is absolutely something wrong with them. They need to check themselves. Okay? There is so much to see. If you are looking and all you see is just bush and I enjoy any of the bush, then there is something absolutely wrong. There's so much beautiful plants and beautiful animals out there that God put just for us to see and enjoy. It's not about the nails or the lashes or the changeable apparels. You have to have all of this to be happy. It's not about any of that. You can be happy with what God has given you. Your children are a blessing, not a curse. Your husband. You understand? All the beauty that God put around us. Right now I'm looking at a bird flying past. And I feel so refreshed. This is a pleasant walk. So I hope you enjoyed this little walk. As I said, I'm not feeling 100% because of certain pregnancy symptoms. Those of you who have been pregnant before may know exactly what I am talking about. But the end result will be amazing and worth all of it. So all praises to Yahweh Basham Yahushai Basham Aka Kodesh.